Yeah, LC Production, bro.
Ray, bitches tamang Gangsters na putinhas from a man number one Takama me kid the king Obrigado minha fãs, representa por mim Cause there is none other nigga like me Nigga, I'm the one, not that nigga Jet Li. I'm the future, just like what tomorrow be. You a loser, a reject, a retard geek. What should I call you, Urkel or Steve? I should just warn you, don't fuck with me. No love and harmony, but I got my peace. Better for you that you do stay in peace. Put you in the crisis like what happened in Greece. My life is a fucking horror movie, you see. Your shit is so proper like Dawson's Creek. Sitting on my throne if you're coming for my seat. You won't even get past the front yard security. Rap wall undamaged, it can't be damaged. Ask them niggas that I know ain't sandwich. I'm destined for greatness like Peyton Manning. Look at them other niggas all in the band. Veterani culhões, pica-ronas, no morals. Diverse rap flow, tem mais estilo que models. Mobile flow, copyright, tudo letra violado. Eu jogo compra letras, we'll just get that shit borrowed. What's the difference between me and you? I'm a gangster, you a pussy, nothing like no go. Vamos saber pra tudo que você odia. Me interei pra opinião que Mr. Monster. What's the difference between me and you? I'm a gangster, you a pussy, nothing like no go. Vamos saber pra tudo que você odia. Me interei pra opinião que Mr. Monster. Lyrics roll louder than the motor from Harley. Get my inspiration from off smoking that Molly. Even though I'm God's son, I don't really act godly. With the shit that I done, I don't even feel sorry. It's like I'm the only one that's up in my party. Niggas quiet down when I get in the lobby, but they still whisper and gossip like Marley. Chaplin, they comedians, them niggas, they Charlie. I'm Jordan, listen Barkley, fat nigga, you Charlie. Ain't gon' let you win nothing like Jordan did Charlie. Got my hands on the throne, now my placement is solid. Splitting that black magic from the jungles of Mali. Rap terrorist, MC Zarqawi. I'm all about my cause, like a jihadist. Bring your whole number, still not enough for me. I will bomb your whole club, Al-Qaeda, Bali. What's the difference between me and you? I'm a gangster, you a pussy, nothing like no go. Vamos saber pra tudo que você odia. Me interei pra opinião que Mr. Monster. What's the difference between me and you? I'm a gangster, you a pussy, nothing like no go. Vamos saber pra tudo que você odia. Me interei pra opinião que Mr. Monster. Third up, I gotta mention, man, I'm high off that bird. And the element not being real, I'm not from this earth. I'm the Alpha and the Omega, and it might sound absurd. But with this new CV rap, I gave that shit birth. Rock turned me to a need because it made me so bold. Summertime hard as shit, but my heart is still cold. And I want these niggas dead with what happened before. Bleeding on the floor, I think Malcolm in foam. I'm in a battle with the devil, title match for my soul. Dodging bullets from these niggas, throwing shots in my dome. Well, I left to come back to see the doors to my home. To me, it's like the afterlife, cause to me, it's unknown. Everywhere I go, it's like I'm followed by Satan. With these devils throwing fire, I got my holy water blazing. Misery to the next point is what I'm facing. It's like I got no grace, let alone amazing. Look up to the sky, se pergunta por Deus. Will it come to an end or will I suffer my show? Tanto coisas que me fazem sinto pigmeu. Mas por favor, que bonegão, de entrada pra céu. Lately I be thinking a whole lot about soul. Will I end up shot up or will I end up in jail? All I know in this life, all I'm living is hell. Gotta get to heaven cause I'm living in hell. What's the difference between me and you? I'm a gangster, you a pussy, nothing like no go.